Hey guys, this is Emilio with RMS Customs and Fab. Today I want to go over some products with you as far as what we have here in the shop that we're going to be launching on our website pretty soon. But it's already available through us. Just shoot us an email, DM on Facebook or on Instagram, or give us a call here, and we'll be happy to take care of you. So what we're doing here is these are called firewall plates. So you can just put this on the firewall, you can put it on the fender, or you can put it wherever. Basically, these are fittings that you can be able to use through your vintage air, classic air, Resto mod air. These are pass-through fittings for the bulkheads. And then if you're looking just to add some flavor, some touch to your car, this is something that that we recommend. Gives a nice little pop. It's not overdoing it, but at the same time it gives a nice little touch. We do have 3 different types. So if you're looking just to do, just a 4-way and maybe kind of put it on the spot, you can, this is one of the spots on the passenger firewall right at the end. This is one that you can run, especially, or maybe on trucks. On trucks, this is a lot of people usually use. I'll do it like a round style or a square style, but this is our design. So this is one that we recommend, especially on the trucks and stuff. Or sometimes maybe, hey, you're looking just to you want to hide all the lines and stuff. So especially when you do an LS swap and stuff like that. So you can put this on the fenders. You can put this on anything you can hide for or maybe you're just looking just to run a heater. So this is one design. This is for 2. You can use this for superchargers, pass through, firewall. I want to make it look nice and clean. You can do this for the fenders, for the firewall, for the heater. I mean, there's again, this is endless. So maybe you want to, maybe you just want to go this style. It all depends. Everybody, we try to design this as far as how different options for the customer. So we are going to be working with more other designs as well on these. But for right now, this is what we got to offer, and definitely happy with the products that we have. So give us a call, let us know if you're interested, and we'll be happy to take care of you. Thank you.